Okay, so I want to quickly review this heat press that I bought from Amazon. I have been thoroughly impressed and happy with it. There's a power button right here once you have it plugged in, and right here you change the settings for the temperature. You press OK. P1 is the temperature. Right now I have it set for 400, which is good. P2 is the time set, 150 because I'm doing a ceramic mug. That's good. P3 is Fahrenheit, good. And then once you click all of those OKs, P1 through P3, it starts to heat up. Now, make sure that you have your heat tape and your image on your mug and slide it in here. You don't want to come from here because then you'll have to open it too much. So just come from the outside and just slide it in. Make sure it lines up and your image is going to be heat pressed where it belongs. Now it's still heating up, and I've already pressed this mug, so I'm just doing a quick tutorial visual. So right now I'm just going to close the mug, and it's super easy to close. And then once you do that, you hit enter, and then that's where it starts your timer. A lot of people I read on reviews didn't know how to start the timer. Once you close the mug press, then you have to hit enter to start the time. And then if you're done, because I've already heat pressed this already, I'm just gonna open it, slide my mug out, and let's look at the finished product. Kind of need two hands here. And I like to keep my images like all four sides because I've noticed if I only do the top and the bottom, sometimes the sides don't get pressed enough and it kind of looks washed out like an ombre color. But see, look how wonderful that came out. Very impressed with this mug press. Very impressed with the press.